Hello, my lovely viewers. You are welcome to my life, and in today's life, we want to look at stoichiometry. I want to treat this topic in detail, stoichiometry. Right. So let me write it on the board. We see that is a branch of chemistry that deals with the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a reaction. So stoichiometry, this topic has to do with the relationship between reactant and product in a balanced chemical reaction. That is why anytime you are looking at this problem, you must first of all understand how you can balance your chemical equation. Under this topic, we are going to look at has to do with a lot of things concerning amount. Amount. When we look at amount, we are looking at a volume, mass, and what a mole. Okay. Now, this topic, the relationship involve what? Involve mole. The relationship involve mass. The relationship involve volume, and also we are going to look at limiting reagent and also percentage yield under this topic. So by the time you understand this concept, you have finished everything that concerns stoichiometry: mole, mass, volume, limiting reagent, and percentage yield. Those are the things that makes up this stoichiometry, which we are going to look at the various ways you can tackle problem when you see it. Are you following? Are you following? Someone following? Thank you very much for the like. Thank you very much. If you are not seeing the board, you let me know. Now, like I said, for you to be able to understand this topic, there are various things that you need to know. Now, what are the relationship all about? Number one, we have mole. Number two, we have mass. Number three, we have volume. Number four, we have limiting reagent. And number five, we have percentage yield. These are the various things that you need to know under this word stoichiometry. Those are the things which we are going to look at their calculation on. Are you following? Are you following? Now, what is this relationship? Remember, relationship have to do with two things. Okay, it's not just one person. So, in the case of relationship, we are going to look at the equation that have to do with number one, the relationship of mole and mole. We have mole and mole relationship. For you to be able to calculate, for you to be able to know how to calculate stoichiometry, you must be able to understand mole relationship. For instance, they give you a question like 2 moles of hydrogen react with nitrogen to produce how many moles of ammonia? Mole of hydrogen react with nitrogen to produce how many moles? That is what we call mole relationship. Another relationship we have, mole has a relationship with what? Mass. We call it mole mass relationship. Mole relationship. Mole also has a relationship with volume. We call it mole volume relationship. So by the time you be able to understand all this relationship, you are good to go. Are you following? Are you following? Now, we have looked at mole connecting with mass. We have looked at mole connecting with volume. Now, I'm not going to, if you're watching for the first time, do well to like this video. Importantly, comment and also subscribe. All right, subscribe, and you can share the live to as many people as possible. All right. So now, this mass now also has a relationship with this one, has a relationship with this one. So we say 4. We are now into mass. Mass has a relationship with itself, just like mole has a relationship with itself. So we call it mass relationship. Mass has a relationship with mole. We call it mass mole relationship. For you to be able to calculate some problem involving stoichiometry, if you don't understand this relationship, you can never know how to calculate a relationship. Mass has a relationship with volume, which number 6, mass volume relationship. Are you following? Someone following? I hope you are following. Comment if you are following. Put on the comment section that you are following. Put on the comment section that you are following. Now, as we proceed, volume also has a relationship with this 3. All right. We have 7. We say 7. Volume has a relationship with itself. We say volume. We call it volume mole relationship. And also we have volume having a relationship with mass. We call it 9, volume mass relationship. I'm going to explain all this concept and give you a general formula you can be able to use as sub all level. Very, very simple. Are you following? Someone following? All right. Now, this relationship means that you will be given one mole. All this one are the one that you'll be given. All this one you will be the one to find it. You'll be given mole. In mole relationship, you will be given mole of one thing, and you'll be now asked to find the mole of another thing. In mole mass relationship, you will be given mole of one thing, and you'll now be asked to find the mass. So all this one in this side is the one that you're going to find, while all this one in this side is the one you will be given. Now let me take example. Let me give you example. Let me give you example of it. Let me give you example of it. In a situation where you have hydrogen gas plus nitrogen gas react, of course they are going to react reversibly to give you ammonia. Now balancing the equation, we have what? We have 2 here. Sorry, we have here will be 3, here will be 1, here will be 2. Hey. Now you will be asked 2 moles of hydrogen react with nitrogen to give you how many moles of ammonia, or 2 moles of or 0.5 moles of hydrogen gas react with how many moles of nitrogen to produce what? Ammonia. That is what we call mole relationship. Do you get that? So therefore, here given, here will be what? Asked to find. Maybe just say 0.5, find nitrogen gas. That is what we call mole relationship. The same thing goes to all the relationship. You might be given mole and you now be asked to find mass. You might be given mole, you might ask to find what volume. So a complete video of all this stoichiometry is uploaded on my YouTube channel. Just go and type the Understanding Stoichiometry by Mike. All right. So in our next life, we are going to look at the formula you can use to calculate all this relationship. I hope you understand.